Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Haq Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about sodium chloride structure, commonly known as rock salt. You know, sodium chloride also crystallizes in a cubic lattice but with a different unit cell. Sodium chloride structure consists of equal number of sodium and chlorine ions placed at alternate points of simple cubic lattice. Each ion has 6 of the other kind of atoms. Now you can see the structure of cesium chloride, cesium and chlorine. Cesium represented here with red color, a small size, and chlorine represented here blue color with large size. Now what is zinc blende? Zinc blende exhibited by many semiconductors including zinc sulfide, gallium arsenide, zinc telluride and cadmium telluride. Gallium nitride and silicon carbide can also be crystallized in this structure. Now you can see wurtzite and zinc blende, each zinc bonded to 4 sulfur tetrahedral, equivalent if zinc and sulfur are reversed, bonding after often highly covalent. So friends, zinc sulfide crystallizes in two different forms, wurtzite and zinc blende. Wurtzite hexagonal structure. This is the hexagonal analog of zinc blende lattice, can be considered as two interpreting close packed lattice with half of the tetrahedral side occupied by another kind of atoms. 4 equidistant nearest neighbors similar to a zinc blende structure. Certain compound semiconductor, zinc sulfide, cadmium sulfide, silicon carbide can crystallize in both zinc blende cubic and wurtzite hexagonal structure. So now friends, what is the crystal defect? Classification of defect based on dimensionality. 0D, point defects, vacancy, impurity, Frankel defect, Scotty defect, interstitial defect. 1D, line defect, dislocations, disclinations, dispirations. Surface interface. 2D, surface interface boundary, grain boundary, twin boundary, stacking faults, antiphase boundary. 3D, volume defects, twins, precipitate, faulted region, voids, crack, thermal vibrations. So imperfection in crystal: point defect, line defect. Point defect, Schottky defects, Frankel defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defect, metal excess defect, the color center, F center, gel for generator, metal deficiency defects. Friends, in line defect you have to know that about the dislocations. There are two dislocations, edge dislocation and screw dislocations. Look at these pictures: Schottky defects and Frankel defect. Look at another, vacancy defects and interstitial defects, self interstitial and distortion of planes and distortion of planes. Now you can see here metal deficiency defect, metal excess defect. Now you can see line defect, edge dislocations, first elementary dislocation type, edge dislocations, and screw dislocations. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.